AI is changing the world as we know it. It's also creating new opportunities for making money online. You don't need to be a tech expert to use AI. You just need to know the right tools. So stay tuned, as these 7 tools can help you with many tasks. Don't miss this chance to learn how to use AI to make money. Adobe Firefly. Adobe Firefly is changing the game in content creation. Not only does it make everything easier, but also 100 times better. It can do things like make product photos pop, give fashion shoots a makeover, and turn sketches into lifelike images, all with just a few clicks. The best part? You can achieve all this without needing a whole squad of graphic designers and artists. Plus, Firefly is gearing up to whip up images from 3D elements too. What's super cool is that you can use simple text commands in more than 100 languages to conjure up images, tweak text, and plenty more. Unlike some other AI image tools, Adobe is taking the high road. Firefly was trained using legit material and added special tags to show it's AI made. Once Firefly is out of testing, you can safely use the images for your biz ventures. It's perfect for content creators looking to elevate their game while keeping costs in check. And about the pricing, it can vary based on what tools and services you need, but Adobe usually has different subscription options, so there's definitely something for everyone, no matter what magic you're looking to create. Microsoft Copilot. This AI sidekick does it all, from crunching numbers in Excel, whipping up presentations faster than a speeding bullet, taking notes during your meetings, to sorting out the important stuff and action points for you. Copilot also cooks up reports and docs based on what you've done before, and it can even handle your email replies. And it doesn't matter what job you're in. This clever AI tool is here to make life easier for everyone, especially if you're already rocking Microsoft products. Copilot connects ChatGPT with Microsoft Graph, giving you the power to blend your tools right into Microsoft products. You'll save heaps of time, whether you're prepping a sweet presentation for clients or diving into your quarterly wins. One thing's for sure, Copilot will be your secret weapon, your ace in the hole that helps you soar. Now, prices vary based on what plan and team size you need, but there's something for everyone, starting at just $4 a month. DocuAsk. Tired of slugging through never-ending documents? Meet your new hero, DocuAsk. This tool is a game changer when it comes to getting the scoop in record time. Forget ordinary summarizing tools. DocuAsk dives deep, letting you ask questions and get instant answers without drowning in a sea of text. Getting the important stuff out of docs has never been simpler. DocuAsk is the real deal. It's a super smart AI that works lightning fast and can be a game changer for anyone, no matter what job you're tackling. This magic tool can handle form filling, whip up contracts, and make paperwork a breeze. Plus, it digs up connections and differences in your docs. And get this, it's a wizard with languages too. When it comes to pricing, it depends on what you need. Your best bet is to swing by their website for all the juicy details. Tidio.
Imagine how easy your work could be if you would automate most of your conversations. We all know that people are irreplaceable, but even the most productive customer support team will appreciate the help of chatbots and automation.
With Tidio's AI, you can kiss expensive staff salaries goodbye. Or better yet, watch your sales skyrocket with top-notch customer service. This chatbot understands your customers lightning fast, better than any human out there. Now, your customers won't be left twiddling their thumbs. They'll get their questions answered quicker than you can say FAQ. Moreover, Tidio can handle the tough stuff like order tracking and stock checks. This means your support squad can fire back lightning-fast responses when customers come a-knocking. And Tidio's a whiz with words. It can turn your team's quick and dirty replies into proper branded sentences that'll make your company stand out. The cherry on top, Tidio's got a backup plan. If a question is too tricky for the AI, it'll whisk it off to a real-life human, saving you time and energy. And this AI tool can tackle 70% of your customer queries. And that means more time for your squad to work their magic, creating happy customers and boosting those sales numbers. As for the price tag, Tidio offers a free plan with some neat features, while their paid plans start at just $18 a month and bring some seriously cool tricks to the table, like automation and multi-channel support. GPT Writer. GPT Writer is the top-notch, hassle-free mastermind you've been dreaming of. This nifty tool is so smooth and effective, it's a total no-brainer. Let's break it down for you. When ChatGPT first hit the stage, everyone was buzzing about AI lending a hand with everyday writing tasks. But there was a hitch. By the time you shuffled through your emails and jotted down your ideas, you probably could have written the reply yourself, right? That's where ChatGPT Writer swoops in to save the day. From crafting killer blog posts to whipping up marketing copy, this wizard spins out content that captures your brand's vibe. It'll buff up your emails, sprinkle some grammar magic, jazz up your tone, or even give a text the old switcheroo. It does it all. Plus, it works its mojo on any site. And this incredible Chrome extension is a game changer, making email replies lightning fast and stress-free. Now, there might be some usage costs with this AI wonder powered by OpenAI. They've got a slick $20 a month plan called ChatGPT Plus, which gives you general access and quicker response times. Opus Clip.
Opus Clip is a generative AI video tool that repurposes your long videos into viral shorts in one click. We use the latest GPT to analyze your video and identify the juiciest parts.
Looking to rein in those fleeting attention spans and connect with your audience pronto? Shorts and reel content is where it's at, and Opus Clip is here to make your life a whole lot easier. We get it, creating eye-catching short videos can be a tall order. Been there, done that. Spent ages and a small army of editors to churn out snappy clips. But let's be real, not everyone's got that kind of time or money to spare, right? That's where Opus Clip really shines. With just a click, Opus Clip works its AI magic, snipping long-form videos into bite-sized bits that pack a punch. No more snooze fest. This tool zaps boredom and cranks up your chance of hitting the viral jackpot. And you can even clip specific sections based on keywords. Now, plenty of savvy agencies are on board, and with the right tool in hand, you could be riding high in the content creation game. Opus Clip unleashes your creative powers with AI-backed video editing. Whether you want to blend clips, sprinkle on effects, or polish your videos to pro-grade perfection, this tool's got your back. And if you're itching to give it a whirl, Opus Clip offers a free plan with the basics to get you started. If you're hungry for more, their paid plans kick off at just $12 a month and serve up a smorgasbord of advanced video editing tools and features. 10web.io.
You can use this AI tool to replicate any website on the internet, and it even generates a WordPress template. Let's go ahead and replicate the Forbes website. Just like that, we have a replication of Forbes.com. And from here, we can even use drag and drop templating to change it up however we'd like.
Back in the day, creating a website was like rocket science. It took forever and cost an arm and a leg. Then, like magic, tools like WordPress, Wix, and Shopify swooped in, making it possible for us mere mortals to join the website club without breaking the bank. But even with these tools, whipping up a decent site still took ages. That's where 10web.io bursts onto the scene like a superstar. This AI tool whips up a whole website in minutes. Minutes. It covers everything from design to words and even rustles up its own images. And the best bit, no fancy coding know-how is needed. It goes the extra mile with built-in SEO and AI recreation to make sure your site turns out just right. Just toss in a couple of your fave websites and it turns out a clone or even jazzes it up to pure perfection. With speed like this, you can leave your other web wizards in your dust. Better service, faster results, and more cash in your pocket, all thanks to the magic of AI. Now, for the best, 10web.io's got a range of plans, from a freebie with basic bits to paid plans kicking off at just $10 a month per website, packed with advanced features. And that's a wrap for today's AI Magic Show. Have a burning question or a spark of curiosity? Feel free to ask, and stay tuned for more wizardry next time. Abracadabra. Until we meet again.